Why have gold and silver dropped and all other investments have gone up? Well, we're going to talk about that in this video. Now, this video is my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert on investing, but there are a few things to think about since the election and what's happened, and even before the election, and we can compare some results. So let's take a look at that. Here's TradeView silver chart, $30.61. And if we look at the month chart, if we go back to October 14th, it's at $31.22. Then we had a huge swing where it almost went up to 35. And then, of course, election day, as you can see where it dropped down to, recovered a little bit, and then it continued to drop a little, but then it's been pretty steady for the last few days, as you can see here. So we're at $30.62. Then, when you look at gold, TradingView gold chart, same thing. I mean, it's a little bit higher before than it is now, but you can see the dips. You can see that it has progressively dropped. Now, it's kind of stayed steady for the last few days. The reason, obviously, is that this election was based on the economy. Not getting into politics here, and I hope nobody gets into politics on my channel in the comments. It's not about that. It's just that people are more confident if who won the election, whether the economy was going to be better or not. So when Trump won, everybody's thinking, okay, the economy is going to be better now. They're more confident. So people tend to buy the stocks and get into those kind of trades. Gold and silver tends to be more of people are a little afraid because it's kind of like safe haven. So in other words, you're going to buy gold and silver when things don't seem to be going very well, and that's the reports that are coming out from the media. But then whenever things start to change, then guess what? The dollar's supposed to get stronger, and then people start investing in other stocks, and they trade out. They just take some of their silver and their gold and they put it in other things. And that is to be expected when you start looking at people who are wealthy getting into the administration and getting into running and managing some of the economics of the country and even affecting global economics. And that's pretty much what you're seeing here. Now, what will we see in the future? I have no idea. It could go up. It could stay the way it is for a little while. Maybe after January, we'll see another drop. Maybe we'll see it rise. It's going to be difficult to tell. Tesla company relies on electric. We all know that silver is relied on a lot when it comes to solar panels and electric cars and things like that. So green energy relies on silver. So we might maintain what's going on. I don't know. Then if you see more deregulation in the fossil fuel era, like coal and things like that, then maybe silver and gold won't. It's going to be one of those things where we just have to watch it. And you buy right now with it being on a drop, it's a good time to buy it. Like I said, you always seem to buy silver and gold. You're staying at long term anyways. And I've always said that before. That's one thing I will tell people. You just keep buying. You don't buy a bunch when it's low or whenever you think it's the best time to do it, and then look at the market and get all stressed out when it goes up or down or when it goes down, actually, or get really hopeful when it goes up. Just stay in it, stay steady. That's a part of stacking. That's what you're doing here. You're not worried about the world or the government or anything else that's going on. You want to stack silver and gold or silver, whichever it is you do, or both. And that's what you do. You just keep doing it and you maintain your pace. So anyways, that's my take on it. Just wanted to talk about it a little bit. No one knows the future. Anything can happen. Anything could change. But we do know one thing. Silver and gold, especially gold, broke records. And it seems to be continuing to do that trend. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with what a lot of changes coming up. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.